Hi, I'm Tom from Manor House Fireplaces and I install the media walls here. I'm the electrician. On a day-to-day basis, we'll come in the morning, load up in the van with whichever fireplace it is that you've chose. Obviously come out and deliver it out to you, and then we'll go over in-house exactly what it is that we're going to be putting in that day, sheet up everything, and obviously get to building the media wall, whether that is a plasterboarded finish or whether you've gone for a wooden panelling, even stuff like TV recesses. We can then go and put sky boxes, Virgin Media boxes behind the TV, mount a sound bar underneath there. Everything within sort of the standard media wall package has customisation to it. What do I enjoy most about working for Manor House Fireplaces? Realistically, meeting new people every day, but I really do enjoy the building aspect of putting your media wall in. I'm an electrician who's an accidental carpenter, basically. Most challenging part of a media wall can be getting the power from one location to another on the odd occasion where you've had your wall just papered or just painted, getting the power from one location to the other with minimal damage. Fun fact about myself, I met Paul Oakenfold in a nightclub without knowing who he was. When I used to do event photography, sat down with him and said, are you looking forward to seeing anyone this evening? And he turned around and he went, oh yeah, I'm playing. I went, oh cool, what slot are you doing? Oh, I'm doing the last slot. And it was at that moment that I actually realised I was sat next to someone quite big and quite famous. Met a fair few famous people who knew who they were, but didn't know who Paul Oakenfold was, just knew his music.